In this short tutorial, I will show you how to link your EA account to Twitch. By linking these accounts, you can access exclusive in-game content and get Twitch drops. To get started, open up any web browser you like, and then go to ea.com/Twitch linking. After that, log into your Twitch account. And then scroll down to the bottom and tap the Authorize button. Now what you want to do next is sign in to your EA account. So go ahead and sign into your account using these sign-in options. Once you've done that, you'll get this page. All you have to do next is simply tap on the Link Accounts button to link your EA account to Twitch. Keep in mind that you can only link your EA account to one Twitch account in its lifetime, so make sure you're linking the right one. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.